What up, peeps? We gotta go fix the duck cage. Let's go. How you doing? So here's the duck cage. Something ate one of our ducks. I'm gonna try to make it so nothing else can eat one of our ducks. Well, I guess it'd probably help if I weed whacked around this thing a little bit. It'd probably be best if we just went all the way around the bottom of it at least. I mean,
like these, I think I attached them. I don't know if you want to cut them off or just give it an extra section.
oh, these ones you actually got. Is it tied to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, the smart thing probably would be to cut those things off and actually use those cages to trap whatever the heck is killing our ducks.
I think. Also, I grabbed another one.
Jeez. Well, 10 foot ain't gonna do but with just one side. Remember I used to buy that stuff for the 100-foot roll when I was doing the wildlife trapping stuff? And it was like 40 bucks. Now let's go put this hardware cloth up. Oh, let's see. Good old hardware cloth.
That's probably the best thing, right? Isn't that harder than chicken wire?
It's definitely got smaller holes. Brings back memories from when I worked at Florida Pest Control, catching critters.
The smaller the hole, the more it was.
Kind of the way that normally goes. Leave that there so I can run it over later with the lawnmower. You know. Open sesame. I need to find that little edit that, you know, just and stuff, but in real life. Yeah. You better get your ass over and help. Alright, these are your ducks. That's what you get. Talking shit. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta need one of the kids to be on the inside. Time to go duck hunting. Oh, ducky duck, where are you? Quack, quack, quack. I mean, yep, we found the duck. It's funny too, though. Like,
Come on.
all these cats.
Oh.
That's a goofy looking kitty. I wish this thing had zoom on it. It's like she knows. Your arch nemesis, the car. Cha! 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 Get in your cage! Get in your cage! No! You don't want to go over there. Come on, I ain't climbing this fence. Just go. I don't know. I might bust my ass. Ow! That was one of them. Ain't nothing but heartbreaking bad memories over here. Go back that way. guess we'll see if she survives the night.